In the past episodes, I have explained in a very simple way the concept of Internet of Things or IoT. I have also given you some examples of technology and use cases of applicability. This graph correlates the results between the benefits in order to understand the priorities of the users of Internet of Things. We have the axis, benefits versus importance, and the resulting quadrants are comfort, which aim to reduce one's own effort by utilizing external tools. For example, the automatic watering of a house plant without human intervention, or opening the garage door automatically when the car is near home. Optimization aims to improve resource planning to operate more efficiently. For example, deploying equipment to remove snow without any delays. There may be a small delay without major consequences. Then, and I think the most important one, is the quadrant for mission critical solutions that aims to ensure that the function of some equipment, machinery or processes remain uninterrupted. For example, detection of irregularities in the operation of a transformer in the subway line or in the power plant, as here in my back. Monitoring telecommunications infrastructure to avoid overloading or detecting equipment failures, or identifying security breaches or any other fault. Ensuring the continuity of some production process in any industry, from manufacturing to industrial agriculture. Detecting the ice loads at wind turbine blades during winter months in aeolic park for electricity generation. Failure at any of these points can have catastrophic results with multi-millionaire losses. Finally, we have the quadrant nice to have. The quadrant that refers to the IoT deployments that don't bring a high benefit and are not of high importance. Sometimes it's even more complicated to use the technology than to do it manually. For example, a juice squeezer operated by an app. It's important to clarify that the axis called relative benefit is measured in relation to the current need of the person, the company or the process. This is the reason on why it is called relative. But relative to what? Well, it needs to be relative to the situation or need prevailing at a precise moment. For example, a remote management system for sauna wouldn't be as important if the sauna was in our backyard. But if the sauna is far away, in a hard-to-reach location, the need for such a system grows. But if this same remote sauna is visited by people who have paid subscription for its utilization, the need grows even more. In these three cases, the benefit is relative to the current prevailing situation. Why is it important to understand this matrix? Because the cost of implementation of Internet of Things technologies must be justified by the importance and benefit of the solution. The value of each customer gives to the quadrant mission critical solutions is much more higher than the quadrant nice to have. Likewise, the technological complexity and the price to be paid for such an IoT solution should have advantages over the status quo. There must be a return on investment in terms of improved benefits for IoT adoption. In this series of videos, we will focus on application cases either where the relative benefit is high or the importance is high, or both. Thank you very much and see you next time.